Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be sharing with you some of the best Shopee and Lazada products that you can promote through affiliate marketing. These products have been selected based on their popularity, user reviews, and conversion rates. Stay tuned until the end of the video to get details on how to sign up as an affiliate for Shopee, Lazada, Decathlon, Adidas, Nike, and more. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First, we have electronic gadgets, such as smartphones, laptops and accessories, smartwatches, headphones, and portable speakers. Next, we have beauty products. This includes grooming, nail care, and makeup essentials, hair care products, skincare serums, and organic body care brands. We also need to include home appliances, like everyone's favorite air fryers, useful food processors, the baker's stand-up mixers, the heavy-duty vacuum cleaners, and coffee makers. We also have fashion accessories. This includes your favorite fashion statement, versatile footwears, stylish bags, and colorful trinkets and jewelries. Lastly, we have health supplements. This includes your immune-boosting vitamins, top protein powders, beauty and skin supplements, and weight loss or slimming capsules. Now that you know the best products to promote, let's explore how you can sign up to join the affiliate program. We'll show you how to sign up as Involve Asia's affiliate program partner. To get started, scan this QR code to see the link and get a bonus when you sign up. Enter the required information for your affiliate partner account details. For the property details, this is where you provide information about the website or social media platform where you will be promoting the affiliate products. Just provide all the required information and you are good to go. In our next video, we will show you how to use your affiliate program partner accounts to promote different products. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.